Hi everyone, here is a quick video on how to replace the broken tail lamp unit from the body on the Hyundai Elite i20. Replacing it is very simple. Use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the plastic trim and pull it out. So these are the clips that hold the trim to the body. Clean the area to remove any dirt or grime. Undo the two Phillips screws securing the tail lamp assembly. Once the screws are removed, wiggle the tail lamp unit and pull it out. These are the grommets that secure the unit to the body here. Remove the cable harness from the clip that is holding it. Twist and remove the bulb sockets from the tail lamp.
What is this bulbs?
This is the OE replacement tail lamp unit which we sourced from a local automotive spare parts shop for rupees 2400. Do note the part number. The tail lamp comes with the wiring harness and the bulbs, which we did not use, but we swapped the bulbs. Use a microfiber cloth to replace the bulbs to avoid the oil or dirt from the hands to getting onto the glass of the bulbs. Insert the bulb sockets and twist them to secure them in place. Secure the harness into the clip. Clean the area with a brush. And finally, secure the tail lamp assembly into the body. Replace the screws back. The powered screwdriver is super handy for this.
That is the only thing.
Replace the trim back. And lastly, test the working of the lamp. That is all guys. Hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye and take care.